I'll keep going. For you.
Do we have to be up this early?
Afraid so, love. Eat up before it cools.
Be good while Mommy is gone. I love you.
Love you, Mommy.
Another day. Just keep going. Miss you, little one.
Just one.
Are these fresh from this morning?
Picked at dawn, miss. Sweet and crisp. Here, try this bunch.
Perfect. I'll take them, thank you.
My pleasure. Go.
Just a few more steps. Kitten, you home?
Almost there. Just let it breathe.
Yeah, that looks right. Let's see. Next question.
Come on, time for your meal, but finish your homework right after.
All done at last.
Are you coming to bed now?
In a minute, sweetheart.
And then the little fox curled up in his den knowing he was safe and loved.
That's nice.
Just like you, sweetheart. Close your...
All tidy now. Sleep well.